everybody, Asang Filipina here. We're going to San Carlos today and it's raining. So okay, drive. Filipina here. I'm going to shop some materials for my storage, and I need some hardy flex and for ceiling and also tiles for the storage. So come with me, let's go inside and let's take a look. I'm here inside the City Hardware. Let's see how much I have to pay.
Tapos double paring.
Kailangan kayo ng channel.
Unom. Ng double paring. Metal paring na isang double paring. Dili, Jamax. Pilahon na Jamax ang nakuha niya. Pilahon na Jamax ang nakuha, Jeff. Doon ang klase. Pula.
Pira pa?
Okay, napari tiles din.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ilang flex metal din naman eh. Yung channel 60. Flex metal.
Okay.
Metal ito.
Flex metal na kayong channel? Okay na niya?
Later na rin mag-check.
Vlog? Hi, mo na siya driver.
2,800 for delivery truck.
Karong ka.
Lagi.
Ano channel mo?
Kuan, Asawang Filipina.
Subscribe ka ka?
Tabangan para dali. Sira usa, duhara sila. Dito mus balay. Ay, dapat mo ng kari. Ay, dapat.
Yagor na kita na.
Gaulan.
Listen.
Wala pa, video.
Bulan ya.
Pwede na, bye. Okay.
Subscribe Asawa Filipina channel. Subscribe po kayo.
Okay, bye. thank you everyone for watching. Love you all. And if you want to watch a longer videos, you can just click the join button level 3 next to subscribe in my channel, and then you can see more driving videos there and longer video. And also I'd like to say thank you so much for all of my subscribers, and also for my members and the persons who are supporting my storage room and my garage. Bye and love you all.